구조주의 언어학과 행동주의 심리학을 살펴보겠습니다. 구조주의 언어학은 1940년대, 50년대에 매우 유명했던 언어학이라고 할 수 있겠습니다. 그래서 이 구조주의 언어학에서는 인간의 언어를 연구할 때 과학적인 관찰의 방법을 매우 엄격하게 적용하는 것을 그 특징으로 하였습니다. 즉, 인간의 언어를 연구할 때 과학적인 데이터, 과학적인 자료만을 그 분석 대상으로 하였다는 건데요. 좀 더 구체적으로 말씀드리면 publicly observable responses, 즉 인간의 언어를 연구할 때 그 분석 대상은, 그 데이터는 외면적으로 관찰 가능한 responses만, 즉 반응들만을 분석하였다는 건데요. 자, 여기서 responses라는 용어가 나왔기 때문에 responses는 대체로 행동주의 심리학에서 등장하는 용어입니다. responses는 앞에 stimulus에 대한 반응들로 나타나는 반응들을 우리가 지칭하는 거기 때문에 행동주의 심리학의 용어를 빌리자면 구조주의 언어학에서는 그 분석 대상이 verbal behavior, 즉 언어적 행동을 그 분석 대상으로 하였다는 이야기입니다. 여기서 유의할 점은 behavior라는 용어 자체는 입 밖으로 표현해내는 그런 언어들, 학습자들의 언어를 분석했다는 것입니다. 바꿔 말하면 이 학습자들의 인지구조, 머릿속에, 두뇌에서 어떠한 일이 일어나는지에 대한 관심이 전혀 없고 오직 입 밖으로 표현해내던 verbal behavior만을 그 분석 대상, 즉 언어적 행동만을 그 분석 대상으로 삼았다는 것이 특징이라고 할 수 있겠습니다. 그래서 구조주의 언어학에서는 이 언어학자들의 주된 일은 인간의 언어를, 우리 사람들의 언어를 있는 그대로 기술하고, 즉 주관적인 개입 없이 있는 그대로 기술하려고 했고, 또한 그 언어에 담겨진, 그 언어에 나타난 구조적인 특징들을 파악해내는 것이 주된 과업이었습니다. 이런 그 구조주의 언어학의 주요한 특징을 우리가 두 가지로 설명해 볼 수 있겠습니다. 그 첫 번째는 인간의 언어들은 서로 다르고, 그리고 그 서로 다름은, 그 차이는 무한하다라는 입장을 갖고 있으며, 또한 언어를 연구하고자 할 때 어떠한 주관적인 선입관도 개입돼서는 안 된다라고 보는 게 바로 구조적 언어학의 특징이 되겠습니다. 그래서는 어떠한 주관적인 견해도 개입돼서는 안 된다고 하는 입장은 오직 관찰 가능한 객관적인 데이터만을 분석했다는 그 구조적 언어학의 특징이라고 할 수 있겠습니다. 이어서 두 번째 구조적 언어학의 특징은 이러한 인간의 언어들은 매우 작은 조각들로, 매우 작은 단위들로 분해될 수 있으며, 이러한 작은 분해된 단위들은 객관적으로, 과학적으로 기술될 수 있고, 상호 비교될 수 있고, 다시 하나로 합쳐질 수 있다. 즉 조각난 언어의 조각들을 다시 합치면 원래의 형태로 되돌아갈 수 있다는 게 바로 구조주의 언어학의 특징이라고 할 수 있겠습니다. 이어서 구조주의 언어학과 항상 연관되어 있는 행동주의 심리학에 대해서 살펴보도록 하겠습니다. 행동주의 심리학의 대표적인 학자는 스키너가 되겠습니다. 스키너 이전에 파블로라는 또 행동주의 학자가 있었는데요. 이후에 스키너가 operant conditioning이라는 그 용어를 만들어내면서, 즉 그런 학습이라는 정의를 함으로써 유명한 행동주의 심리학자로 우리가 이해하고 있는데요. 이러한 행동주의 심리학에서는 인간의 행동을 연구할 때 과학적인 방법을 엄격히 적용해야 된다라고 주장했습니다. 즉 주관적인 개입 없이 오직 관찰 가능한 인간의 언어를 연구해야 된다라고 주장했던 거죠. 그래서 행동주의 관점에서 보면 어떤 생각이나 의미나 이런 것들은 그냥 설명하기 위한 허구에 불과하다라고 주장하는 거죠. 그래서 적절한 responses들만이 객관적으로 인식될 수 있고 기록될 수 있고 측정될 수 있다고 봤습니다. 그래서 자연스럽게 의식의 상태라든가 혹은 사고라든가 개념이 형성되는 것이라든가 지식의 습득에 대한 그 상태를 측정, 관찰할 수 없기 때문에 이 행동주의 심리학에서는 이런 것들은 그 연구 대상이 될 수 없었다는 거죠. 이런 관점에서 언어 교육을 우리가 수행했을 때 나타날 수 있는 가장 중요한 특징을 우리가 간략하게 요약하면 바로 이 부분이 되겠습니다. Controlled Practice of Verbal Operant. 뒤에 나오는 Verbal Operant는 우리가 행동주의에서 논의해왔기 때문에 대부분 충분히 이해했을 거라고 생각하고요. 앞에 나온 두 개의 키워드를 설명하겠습니다. 자, 첫 번째 controlled. 자, 통제된 상황이란 뜻이 되겠는데요. 자, 이때 통제는 누가 하게 되는가 하면은 교사가 통제를 하게 됩니다. 학생들이 verbal operant를 practice 하게 되죠. 그래서 이 controlled practice나 이 두 개의 단어가 바로 행동주의 관점에서 언어 교수 수행을 했을 때 나타나는 가장 중요한 특징이라고 하겠습니다. 이러한 행동주의 관점에서 즉 행동주의의 특징이 가장 잘 반영된 교수법으로 우리가 Audio-lingual Method, 청화식 교수법을 우리가 생각할 수 있겠습니다. 청화식 교수법의 특징은 구어 중심의 교수법이 되겠습니다. 구어 학습이 끝난 후에 문어 학습으로 이어지는 그런 특징이 있다는 걸 함께 기억하면 되겠습니다. 자, 그러면 수업 분석을 해보겠습니다. 모든 수업이 비슷하겠지만 특히 언어 수업은 우리가 보통 세 단계로 구별합니다. 프리 단계, while 단계, post 단계. 이 세 단계로 구별해 보시기 바랍니다.
Good morning, class.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good. I'm happy to hear that. Today's lesson is going to be about two people, about a salesman, a special kind of a salesman. Now, you know what a salesman is. That's a person who sells something to somebody else, a salesman. We're going to, today the salesman is a vacuum cleaner salesman, and the other person, here's the vacuum cleaner salesman, and let me write that. The other person is a woman, or we could call her a housewife. So now, I want you to just listen and watch what I do. Listen carefully, watch what I do, and try to understand, okay? Now, I'm the salesman now, okay? I'm going to be both people. I'm going to play two roles. I'm going to be the salesman and the woman. Okay. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Now, the woman. Hello? Hello, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town? Yes, of course I would. Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner. No, I don't. Salesman. What? Why not? Because my husband does the cleaning in our house. Oh. Okay? Now listen, and I'll do it one more time. You just listen and don't talk this time. Listen again. I'll do it one more time. Salesman. Rings the bell. Woman. Good morning. Good morning, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town? Yes, of course I would. Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner. The woman says, no, I don't. Salesman says, what? Why not? And the woman says, because my husband does the cleaning in our house. And the salesman says, oh. All right, now, we're going to learn this together now. I'm going to help you learn how to say this whole dialogue, okay? So, please repeat. The first line is the woman says, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The salesman says, good morning. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Good morning. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Okay. House in town. Just say that much. House in town. The cleanest house in town.
The cleanest house in town.
Okay. Now just group D here. The cleanest house in town.
The cleanest house in town.
A. The cleanest house in... That's okay. The cleanest house in town.
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 Okay, now just you. The cleanest house in town.
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 Cleanest.
Cleanest.
The cleanest house in town.
The cleanest house in town.
Good, very good. Okay. This group, the cleanest house in town.
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 Ah, no, just right now, just this group, okay? That's good. In a minute, in a minute. The cleanest house in town. Just
The cleanest house in town.
you, man.
The cleanest house in town.
The cleanest house in town. Good. Everybody, the cleanest house in town.
Cleanest house in town.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Okay. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town? Good. Okay, you.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
The cleanest house in town.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Good. Okay. From the beginning now, the woman says, good morning. Everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
The salesman says, good morning, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Good morning, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Okay, good. Now the woman says, yes, of course I would.
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 All right, this half of the class. Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
This half. Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
You, please. Yes, of course I would.
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 Yes, you have to say it with feeling, right? Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I
Yes,
would.
good. Thank you. You, sir.
Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
Okay, everybody. Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
Salesman says, then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then, madam, you need an amazing vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Hoover vacuum cleaner.
The amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
The amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then, madam, you need an amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Okay, this group. Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner. All right, you. Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Good, very good, very good. All right, you try it. Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner, very good. Everybody. Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner. Now, you remember that we don't write down these dialogues as we're saying them, because at the end of the class, I will give you a copy so you can read it. Right now, concentrate on memorizing it just from the sounds, okay? And later, you'll be able to see it in writing. So, from the beginning, the woman says, "Good morning."
Good morning.
The man says, "Good morning, madam."
Good morning.
Okay. "Good morning, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?"
Good morning, ma'am. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
"Yes, of course I would."
Yes, of course I would.
Then madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner."
Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
"No, I don't."
No, I don't.
"What? Why not?"
What? Why not?
"What? Why not?"
What? Why not?
Yeah, what? Why not? Okay, use the gestures, see? What? What? Why not?
What? Why not?
Try it with your hands. Use your hands.
What? Why not?
Yeah, what? Why not? And your shoulders. See my shoulders?
Why not?
What? Why not? Okay, everybody together. What? Why not?
What? Why not?
Okay. And the woman says, "Because my husband does the cleaning in our house."
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
In our house.
In our house.
The cleaning in our house.
The cleaning in our house.
My husband does the cleaning in our house.
My husband does the cleaning in our house.
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
This group here, please. Just this group. Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Okay, listen to me. Because my husband does the cleaning in our house. Wait. Okay, just you, please. You try it.
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Does the cleaning.
Does the cleaning.
Now again. Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Good, very good. Everybody, because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
And then the salesman says, "Oh." No, he's sad. "Oh." I will be the salesman, and all of you will be the woman, okay? I'm the salesman. So I ring the bell. Ring, 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 ring.
Good morning.
"Good morning, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?"
Yes, of course we would.
Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
No, I don't need.
What? Why not?
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Oh. Okay, now we'll change. And you will be the salesman, and I will be the woman, okay? Ring the bell, please, ring the bell. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
The cleanest house in town.
The cleanest house in town.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Yes, of course I would.
Then, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
The amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner? No, I don't.
What?
Why not? Because my husband does the cleaning in our house. All right, can we have 2 volunteers? 2 volunteers. Come on, please. And how about a woman now? And
Yes.
Hassan, you can be the salesman.
Here she is.
And we need a woman. Sonia? Please. Oh, just you begin. Ring the bell.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Of course.
Then I got the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then you need this.
You need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Oh no, I don't.
What? What? Why not?
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Oh.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you didn't sell it.
Answer the next one.
The next one. We have 2 more people, please. 2 more people to do this. 2 more volunteers. 2 more brave, courageous volunteers. Here's one. What are you? You want to be the salesman? Yeah. Saleswoman. Okay. And you, come on. Yes. Yes, you're the housewife.
My wife said,
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Would you like to have would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
yes, I do.
Of course I would.
Of course I would.
Then you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Oh, I don't.
What? What not?
Because my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Now we're going to do a little grammar practice. Okay? Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Prettiest house.
Would you like to have the prettiest house in town?
Good. Would you like to have the prettiest house in town?
Would you like to have the prettiest house in town?
Greenest lawn.
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Good. Okay. Now, again, this time individual people. Okay? We'll do it again. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Do you like to have the cleaning house down?
Cleanest.
Cleanest.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Do you like to have the cleanest house down?
In town.
In town.
Okay, good. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Do you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would. Would you like?
Would you like to clean house?
Okay, wait. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have a cleanest house in town?
The cleanest house in town.
The cleanest house in town.
Okay. Everybody, would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Okay, now you try again, please.
Would you like to clean?
To have
To clean
the cleanest house in town. Okay, everybody, would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
The prettiest house.
Would you like to have the prettiest house in town?
Good. The biggest car.
Would you like to have the biggest car in town?
Greenest lawn.
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Very good, very good. Now, I will ask the question, would you like to have the cleanest house in town? You answer, yes, of course I would. Yes, of course I would. Okay, I ask the question, you give the answer. Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Yes, of course I would.
Would you like to have the biggest car in town?
Yes, of course I would.
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
Would you like to have the prettiest house in town?
Yes, of course I would.
Now you ask me the questions. Cleanest house. Ask me the question.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Yes, of course I would. Prettiest house.
Would you like to have the prettiest house in town?
Yes, of course I would. Biggest car.
Would you like to have the biggest car in town?
Yes, of course I would. The greenest lawn.
Would you like to have the greenest lawn in town?
Yes, of course I would, yes. Okay, now, this time I'll read it, and then you repeat after me. Read it and repeat, okay? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Would you like to have the cleanest house in town?
Yes, of course I would.
Yes, of course I would.
Then, madam, you need the amazing Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Then, madam, you need amazing Hoover.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
What? Why not?
What? Why not?
Because you see, my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Because you see, my husband does the cleaning in our house.
Oh. All right, now, for your homework for tomorrow, I want you to memorize this. Memorize it. And tomorrow, in class tomorrow, I'm going to ask you to say this perfectly with no mistakes without the paper. You understand?
Yes.
So your homework tonight is to memorize this perfectly. Okay, and then the other thing you have to do, you have two things for homework. You have to sell this vacuum cleaner to someone, okay? Sell this vacuum cleaner to someone for homework, okay? That's all for today. Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye.
예, 수고하셨습니다. 약 19분 정도의 수업 동영상이었는데요. 청화식 교수법의 특징이 아주 잘 나타난 수업이었다고 할 수 있겠습니다. 자, 그러면 수업 분석을 해보겠습니다. 세 단계로 구분해서 보겠습니다. 프리 단계, 와일 단계, 포스트 단계. 프리 단계에서는 다이얼로그가 소개되고 있죠. 와일 단계에서는 그 다이얼로그가 프랙티스 되고 있습니다. 프랙티스 될 때 가장 중요한 포인트는 accuracy, 정확성에 초점을 둔 교수법이라고 하겠습니다. 그리고 이 프랙티스 단계에서 문법 학습이 이루어지고 있는데요. 이때 문법 학습은 우리가 알고 있는 principle, 어떤 룰을 학습한다는 측면보다는 문장의 패턴을 학습하는 측면이 강합니다. 그래서 패턴 연습이 주로 이루어지고 있죠. 그리고 마지막에 포스트 단계에서는 수업이 마무리되고 있고, 그리고 과제가 제시되고 있는데 이 과제 역시 다이얼로그를 암기하는 것으로 제시되고 있습니다. 와일 단계에서 중요한 포인트만 살펴보겠습니다. 먼저 와일 단계에서는 그 다이얼로그가 연습이 되고 있습니다. 먼저 교사가 전체 학생을 대상으로 해서, 그리고 그룹과 개인 학생을 대상으로 해서 다이얼로그를 연습시키고요. 연습된 다이얼로그는 이제 역할놀이로 이어지고 있습니다. 먼저 시범을 보이기 위해서 교사가 전체 학생을 대상으로 한 역할놀이를 하게 되고요. 이어서 암기한 다이얼로그를 바탕으로 해서 학생들이 나와서 역할놀이를 하게 됩니다. 그리고 이 역할놀이가 끝나면 이제 패턴 연습, 문법 연습이라고 할 수 있겠는데요. 이때 문법 연습은 아까 설명드린 대로 문장의 패턴 연습이라고 할 수 있겠습니다. 이때 Audio-lingual Method, 청화식 교수법에서는 문법 학습이 이루어지지 않는다라고 생각하면 안 되겠습니다. 문법 학습은 패턴 중심으로 이루어지고 있고, GTM, 문법 번역식 교수법과 다른 점은 문법 번역식 교수법에서는 연역적, 즉 모국어로 명시적인 규칙들을 설명해 주는 데 반해서 이 청화식 교수법에서는 그러한 명시적 설명 없이 문장 패턴 연습을 시키고 있다는 것이 특징이 되겠습니다. 이때 문장의 패턴 연습이라는 것은 그 문장의 구조와 관련되어 있습니다. 문장 구조를 익히게 하는 거죠. 그래서 청화식 교수법은 바로 이 구조주의 언어학에 기반을 두고 있고, 앞서 설명한 이 practice 하는 측면에서 행동주의 학습 이론에 기반을 두고 있다라고 보면 되겠습니다. 이어서 와일 단계 마지막으로서 비로소 대화의 내용이 담겨진 이제 스크립트를 직접 학생들이 보면서 이제 읽기 연습을 하고 있습니다.